Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be covering over JASMY coin. So JASMY right now is trading at 0.002833, 24-hour volume, we're down 38%, and market cap, we are down 1.50%. So heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, again, I'm pretty depressed today. I don't know what you guys are feeling about the overall cryptocurrency market, but again, there are a few coins that I am adding to my bag, even though that I do see it's such a bloodbath out there, but essentially it's going to be a further investment for me. Definitely let me know down below in the comments what you guys are planning to do. But essentially taking a look at JASMY, it is just a sell, sell, sell. There's so much emotion that's happening right now. It's just crazy. So eventually we may not know where JASMY is going to go. We do see a promising here. We are considered as oversold, but the history for JASMY here is essentially we can bottom at 0% before it does trigger that buying opportunity, and we're able to see the price at least come up a little bit to see those opportunities. But to be honest with you, I keep seeing time after time when the price does come up for JASMY, a lot of people take that opportunity and just sell their coins just to like minimize how much of a loss they've had with JASMY itself. So a lot of emotion, a lot of selling in that phase. So just be very cautious again when you actually see the price come up. Take your profits as you can, but taking a look so far, we're most likely going to see an expansion of this candlestick body come down. We are going to deep dive in a 4-hour and 2-hour time frame as well, but essentially retesting the area of support that we found in the previous candle that we saw here as low as 0.002808. So going to see it. I mean, MACD indicator does show us again in the red here. We only had one day where we saw a small little green sign, but big red histograms is going to be showing us the momentum for today. Heading over to the 4-hour time frame, again, I was anticipating the consolidation. We can see it already happening of the resistance side. Now, I was anticipating at least the candlestick wick coming up around this volume node that we see here, around this 0.00291. Again, we had a few attempts here, but it seems like it's maxing out at this resistance line. So we're going to continue to use this resistance line that was used from this candle on December 28th. And again, use this area as support. It does look like in the last previous candles, we are using the same support here on December 27th. So we can see this consolidation actually very narrowing. So instead of the expansion from 78% over fib all the way down here, we're seeing a narrow channel now. So a few things in this chart, you guys. I know I love using the RSI and the MACD indicator combination, but we can see a little bit of a side dip here. So we may see that the price for JASMY is showing a little bit of weakness, and we may see in the next 8 hours or so, we may see that trigger a sell opportunity. We can see again, this is colliding in and anticipating that crossover. Now, we do see that the MACD indicator here has 1 wave, 2 wave, and then slowly it moved, slowly getting smaller. But again, it just moved in that fraction of a second. So we may see a third wave of the MACD indicator. So coming up again to the area of resistance, we are most likely going to come back down to the area of support. If we are going into a third wave, as we just saw this flip in the last couple of seconds here, then price is going to retest this area of support and may actually break it. Oh my God, it's scary. Okay, it might actually break it and then come down to 0.00269. Again, people are taking advantage of when it comes to the resistance line. They're watching if there is going to be anyone that pushes it past the resistance to take advantage of that selling and profit even more. So be very cautious for this, as this is a pause of the current trend. So whenever we see consolidation, it can break up either an uptrend or a downtrend depending on our indicators. But again, it could be a pause of the current trend, and what we see the current trend is a bear trend for JASMY. Let's sneak peek into the 2-hour time frame opposed to the 4-hour time frame. We've seen already here in the RSI, it triggered a sell opportunity in the last candlestick. So we can see here at 88%, it triggered that sell opportunity at 61% of our fib. Now take a look at the Bollinger Bands here. It is squeezing in, okay? So it's squeezing in, meaning lower volatility here. Price is going to move fairly slow. And if we are going to be closing below again, our 20 moving average. And I just realized I don't have it on the chart here. So let me just quickly add it. Here we go. Okay, so our 20 moving average here, we've already closed below it. If you guys see in this 2-hour candlestick already, we've closed below it. And if we are going to continuously close below it in multiple 2-hour candlesticks, that essential breakout is going to break JASMY, and we may see that 127 of our fib chart even sooner than we thought. So oh, it's just moving again. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and the support that you've shown me in this last year. I'm truly, truly blessed. Definitely let me know in the comments. Love reading your comments. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you next time. Bye.